హాయ్ హలో నేను మీ జర్నలిస్ట్ సిద్ధు. సో ఇవాళ మన టీఆర్జీ స్టూడియోలో మిస్ గ్రాండ్ తెలంగాణ 2026 ఎవరైతే విన్నర్ ఉన్నారో ఆ అమ్మాయి ఉంది. అయితే ఆ అమ్మాయి గురించి నేను షార్ట్గా ఒక మాట చెప్తాను. ఆ అమ్మాయి ఇప్పుడు మిస్ గ్రాండ్ ఏదైతే మన ఇండియా వైడ్గా జరగబోతుందో సో దానికి కూడా రిప్రజెంట్ చేయడానికి ఇప్పుడు తెలంగాణ నుంచి క్రౌన్ విన్ అయింది కదా. సో ఇండియాని రిప్రజెంట్ చేయడానికి మన హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి అంటే మన తెలంగాణ నుంచి ఆ అమ్మాయి వెళ్ళబోతుంది అనమాట. సో ఈ అమ్మాయికి మన నుంచి సపోర్ట్ ఎంతైనా కావాలి. అసలు ఈ అమ్మాయి ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది? సో ఆ అమ్మాయి పేరు వచ్చేసి సప్నా చౌబే. సో వారణాసికి సంబంధించిన అమ్మాయి తెలంగాణలో రిప్రజెంట్ చేసి తెలంగాణ నుంచి ఇండియా వైడ్గా వెళ్ళబోతుంది. అండ్ అక్కడ నుంచి ఇంటర్నేషనల్ లెవెల్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్కి వెళ్ళాలి అంటే ఎలాంటి కసరత్తులు ఈ అమ్మాయి చేస్తుందో ఆ అమ్మాయి నోటి ద్వారానే ఒకసారి తెలుసుకుందాం. నమస్తే, హాయ్
అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
అందరికి. నాకు
సప్నా చౌబే.
యా, నాకు మతలబ్ ముझे.
ఓకే.
మరి నాకు నమస్కారం లేదా?
నాకు నమస్కారం. హౌ షుడ్ ఐ సే ఇట్?
లేదు,
నమస్కారం.
అందరికి నమస్కారం. సిద్ధు సూపర్. తెలుగు రాదనుకున్నాను కానీ తెలుగు అర్థం చేసుకుంటుంది అమ్మాయి. సో సప్నా చౌబే. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ కంగ్రాట్స్ ఫర్ యువర్ టైటిల్ విన్నర్. సో యు ఆర్ ద టైటిల్ విన్నర్ ఆఫ్ Miss Grand Telangana 2026.
Yes.
So when it was happened?
It's happened in February. It was around 4th Feb. So that happened, like it was for entire 1 week, and then we did a practice, and then lot of things happened, and lots of competition happened. There were initially auditions happened. Then once you got selected for the auditions, uske baad mein sab logo ka practice training hua. Then we got as a finalist, and there were like Andhra and Telangana both happened at the same time. So for Andhra representation and for Telangana representation, 2 girls got selected. There were another girl who is going to represent Andhra, and I'm going to represent Telangana for Miss Grand India. And the entire competition was happened starting from the 4 o'clock till 1 o'clock in the night. There were 5 type of things happened, like ramp walk, communication skills, your opening performance, your opening dance, speeches, question answer, and those things happened. And then they decided the winner.
ये आपका पहला पेजेंट था क्या?
No.
Is it your first?
No, it was not my first pageant. Though it's a national pageant, इतनी बड़ी लेवल पे it was first, but I have participated in few of the couple local pageants previously. So I was interested in pageants since so long. जब मैं छोटी थी ना तब से I was so interested in these things. But again I didn't get a chance because my father is a farmer. Because of the financial background, I had to stand on my own foot first. So उसके लिए I had to go for studies. So I've completed my engineering from NIT, and then I got job here in Hyderabad. I got settled here, and then I got my room, right? So then I participated for this.
So how is Hyderabad?
It's so awesome. Like I love Hyderabad. I'm honestly telling you, talking about the weather, food, people, everything is just superb.
సో తెలంగాణలో అండ్ మన ఆంధ్ర తెలంగాణ ఈ తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాలు ఎలా అంటే వారణాసి అంటే ఒక స్పెషల్ ఒక ఎమోషన్ ఉంటుందన్నమాట. అక్కడ శివయ్యని దర్శించడం కోసం చాలా మంది అక్కడికి వెళ్తుంటారు. అండ్ తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ముఖ్యంగా ఎవరైతే సౌత్ ఇండియా నుంచి రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తారో మన తెలుగు వాళ్ళే ఎక్కువ ఉంటారు అనమాట.
Yes, you're saying that we have a connection between like the special connection.
क्योंकि बहुत सारे तेलुगु के लोग वहाँ पे जाके बनारस में वहाँ पे दर्शन करते थे. वहाँ पे
yes. काशी विश्वनाथ.
So tell about your journey, how it started.
So if I talk about generally like Grand के बारे में, so Grand is something which I got an invitation.
Not about Grand, education.
Okay.
And पापा के बारे में कुछ बता रहे थे आप, फार्मर भी थे.
Yeah.
So अभी वहीं पे है settled.
Papa moves here and there. Now
Okay.
I'm settled, so I'm taking care of the family kind of. So I don't want him to work right now, क्योंकि obviously अभी उनको जितना करना था उन्होंने कर लिया. मेरा अब being a child, मेरा भी तो कुछ फर्ज बनता है ना, that okay now they should not work that hard. If I can contribute to their थोड़ा सा भी help हो जाएगा तो
So how many siblings you have?
4 sisters.
4 sisters only?
Sisters, yes.
Super.
Yes, and we all are like, मेरी दीदी भी software engineer है. I'm also a software engineer. And my sister, she's also working in IT company as well. And मेरी छोटी वाली बहन, she's studying in Bangalore. Software only. I mean, like,
हमारे यहाँ पे ऐसे बोला जाता है कि धनलक्ष्मी, धैर्य लक्ष्मी, संतान लक्ष्मी, लक्ष्मी.
Yeah.
तो आपके घर में 4 लक्ष्मियाँ हैं.
Yes, and you know, there's a strategy. मतलब there's a क्या बोलते हैं? बहुत बड़ा tragedy happened with my family. My grandfather died. Till that time, Dadaji was taking care of family. Okay, and then when he died, after that my father is a farmer, and then all the savings went in his सारा कुछ करने में चला गया, खर्च हो गया. We didn't have savings. और हम 4 लड़कियां. So people came to our family and they were suggesting our family that लड़कियों को क्यों पढ़ा रहे हो? Like they're anyways not gonna stay with you. तो उन पे पैसा वेस्ट क्यों करना है? शादी के लिए पैसे सेव करो and then you get them married to another good house. And my father was like ठीक है, आपको suggestions देना था, आपने दे दिया. मैं आपको बताता हूँ जो मेरी लड़कियां कर सकती हैं वो शायद मेरे लड़के होते तो भी नहीं कर पाते. And I trust them. So he took stand and he really gave us a best education which was possible.
Great.
So, yeah, that's it. Because of them only I
So they are
studied
more
and-
supportive.
Yes, so much. So much.
लकी हो यार, मतलब इस तरह का सपोर्ट कहीं मतलब ज्यादा लोगों को मिलता नहीं.
Yes. I believe because जब आपके पास देखो एक होता है कि आपके पास अगर फाइनेंशियली बैकग्राउंड स्ट्रांग है ना then there is no problem of thinking कि कैसे होगा क्या होगा, ठीक है लड़की है लड़का है पढ़ा देते हैं. बट जब आपके पास कुछ सेविंग्स नहीं होती है ना and then you should be sometime it happens कि आपके पास उतना पैसा भी नहीं है कि आप फी पे कर पाओ, right? At that situation you should be mentally very strong कि नहीं मुझे इनको उस स्टेज में खड़ा करना है जहाँ पे इनको किसी पे डिपेंड ना होना पड़े. That thought is very big thought and that my father had. उनका ऐसा था कि शादी नहीं करोगे एक टाइम को चलेगा, बट अगर तुम अपने पैर पे नहीं खड़े रहोगे और अगर तुम कुछ नहीं करोगे so I might not be able to die properly. मतलब मैं सुकून से मर नहीं पाऊंगा कि तुम्हें कुछ सेटल करके नहीं, मतलब लाइक his settle का definition was कि तुम अपने पैर पे खड़े हो जाओ, not marriage. So that was my father's.
So why did you choose Hyderabad as your career?
Okay, so I mentioned right, NIT Jamshedpur से मैंने अपना graduation किया है and campus placement में I got company which was, so I'm working in a MNC company and whose base branch is here in Hyderabad. So initially I wanted to stay with the family and my sister is in Delhi. तो मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं वहाँ पे चली जाऊंगी and my friends are in Bangalore. तो मेरा ऐसा था कि I don't have lot of people in Hyderabad so I might choose Bangalore or Delhi because Delhi में दीदी है और Bangalore में my friends are there. But destiny, like I chose Hyderabad the last option में जब आता है ना fill करने के लिए and then Hyderabad pulled me in and then now I'm loving Hyderabad so I don't have any problem with Hyderabad. I'm like literally loving Hyderabad. So yes.
So यहाँ पे आने के बाद भी पेजेंट में ट्राई करना वगैरह करते थे आप?
हाँ मतलब मैंने बताया ना जो बचपन से देखो जब आप किसी वॉरियर बैकग्राउंड से आते हो काइंड ऑफ वॉरियर ओनली राइट कि जब आपको ऐसा लगता है कि यू विल गो आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स एंड यू डू समथिंग व्हिच यू हैव फेस्ड व्हिच पीपल शुड नॉट फेस राइट. जो आपके पास वैसा मेंटालिटी होता है कि जो आपने फेस किया वो दूसरों को नहीं प्रॉब्लम करना चाहिए एंड दैट स्टोरी यू विल टेल समवन सो दैट दे कैन सेव. मतलब वो एक सेफ्टी एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करेगा अराउंड दोज गर्ल्स दोज पीपल. तो मुझे ऐसा था कि कहाँ से शुरू करूं और कहाँ तक जाऊं जो रियली इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट करे सोसाइटी में. एंड पैजेंट इज अ वेरी गुड प्लेटफॉर्म फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन स्टार्ट, यू कैन स्पीक एंड रेज योर वॉइस. इवन यू कैन मतलब आप जो कुछ बताओगे इट कैन रियली क्रिएट अ इम्पैक्ट once you are in that position. So that was my mentality कि जब अगर मुझे कुछ बड़ा करना है, जब मुझे कुछ अगर सच में हेल्प करना है लोगों के लिए, मुझे अपने आप को पहले उस पोजीशन पे लाना पड़ेगा जहाँ से मैं कुछ बोलूँ वो सच में हेल्पफुल हो लोगों के लिए. So that was the thought process behind pageant.
So what's the main difference between your first pageant and now?
Okay, so first pageant was male. I was a very like छोटी बच्ची थी मैं. I was 18 years old and then at that time I did pageant and now I'm like 26. Just this year I became 26. So जब मैं 18 साल की थी ना मेरा first pageant मैंने किया था. I just completed my schooling and I was in first year of graduation and then I got Miss UP Elegant बोल के एक title था. And I went there randomly क्योंकि तब मुझे रैंप पे चलना बहुत पसंद था and people were like तू अच्छा चलती है बोल के they told me. So I'm like yeah I can do that, I can try that. तब मेरे दिमाग में इतना बड़ा पिक्चर नहीं था pageant का. I went there and I won as a first runner up of that title without knowing anything about pageant, you know. तो जब आप कुछ करते हो and then you get the spark of it. Oh, this is it. यही तो करना है. Like you have to speak your heart out. बस अपने दिल में जो आ रहा है वो बोलना है. Be honest to yourself and do what you love to do. बस इतना ही करना है and then you can connect to the people, right? So from there I got the inspiration, but I could not continue क्योंकि NITs के लिए preparations और ये सब चल रहे थे. तो बीच में break हुआ. फिर जब मैं NIT गई, I was designer head of Invicta. Invicta is a fashion club of NIT Jamshedpur. तभी वहाँ पे भी I was designer head of that fashion group. We won also NIT like inter NIT competition, college competition. That also we won. फिर lockdown हो गया and then I came home. Then job shifted. फिर job में आने के बाद जब आप नया नया job शुरू करते हो तो you have a thought process कि I'll give 100% to something which I have worked so hard for. तो initially I didn't much do about the pageants, but when I settled up कि ठीक है अब मैं कर सकती हूँ. Now I'm in a position where I can again start my motive of my living. So then again I started the pageant.
సో మీ బ్యూటీ పేజెంట్స్ ని అండ్ జాబ్ ని ఎలా మేనేజ్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు?
It's very easy. I mean, like if you love something, you will get time for it, and the job is like how will you get money? So then it's easy. You can balance
ఏ
it.
కంపెనీ అబ్బా ఎన్ని అంటే ఎన్ని లీవ్స్ ఎవరు ఇస్తున్నారు మీకు?
Yeah, it's like so you don't need actually leaves much of. Saturday Sunday chutti rehti hai, right? And few days here and there. You're a software engineer, right? You need 4-5 days in a day. And if your company is like not that much of hectic, like you have to come to your office, you have to stay for 8-9 hours, then it's manageable, right? So agar abhi lockdown ke time pe, it was my company had a hybrid mode of work, so it was easy to manage at that time कि ठीक है hybrid mode है, मैं ऑफिस जा सकती हूँ, मैं मेरा काम रात में भी कर सकती हूँ, I can meet people.
ఇప్పుడైతే మీరు సెలబ్రిటీ కదా, సో ఇంకెవరేమన్నారు? कोई कुछ बोलते नहीं शायद से.
No, it's not like that. Like they have their rules and regulations. If you're not following those things, they'll have a compliance issue. So uske liye bhi I'm not breaking any compliance. Just that I'm just trying to manage it both. So that's how it's working. And Saturday, Sunday, I fully dedicate those things for my pageantry and these things. And weekdays, I dedicate my office hours for office. Apart from that, I am free. So I can do, right?
సో మిస్ గ్రాంట్ से आपके स्वीट मेमोरीज क्या है? मतलब చాలా ఫేవరెట్ అనిపించింది విచ్ పార్ట్?
The participants. There were so many girls and they were so kind hearted. मतलब आप क्या होता है ना pageantry में जाते हो and people speak about those things कि अच्छे दोस्त मिलते हैं वहाँ पे. You'll meet best people of your life in pageantry. I don't know if you have heard it or not. आप worst people भी pageantry में find out करोगे.
Yes.
And you'll find the best people also in pageantry. So I found like each and every girl over there, they were so kind-hearted and sweet. बहुत अच्छे थे. Though few of them were very new to that, but they were such a sweet hearts. मतलब उनका they were very supportive to each other. They were very kind towards each other. Though it's in a competition अपनी जगह है, but that's what I love about the people in Telangana. They are like so much towards the emotion, right? I mean, अगर आपको जरूरत है मेरी, I'll be there. अगर मुझे आपकी जरूरत है, I'll not that much expect, but yeah, you should be there because I'm there. So that's how you made a connection. So I made very good connection. I'm still in touch with all those girls. Even for the Andhra girl who have represented, जितनी भी लड़कियां थी Andhra के participants, with them also we had a very good bond.
I saw one reel with Andhra girl.
Yeah. Yes, she's Miss Grand Andhra.
What's her name?
Divya. Divya Varanasi.
So how's the rapport with her?
So good. Like we are friends, we chit chat a lot.
Okay.
We even talk. सारी चीजें.
यहाँ पे తెలుగు में एक कहावत है, डॉक्टर అవ్వాలనేసి ట్రై చేస్తే యాక్టర్ అయ్యాను అని. मतलब डॉक्टर बनना चाहती थी लेकिन एक्टिंग फील्ड में आ गई. तो आपका कुछ था क्या ऐसा, मतलब या बचपन से मॉडलिंग में?
मेरे को
एम्बिशन क्या था आपका?
सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग. I love software.
Yeah, you achieved it.
Yes. मैं जब मुझे पता भी नहीं था सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग क्या है, I was in class first or second, जब टीचर्स विजिट करते हैं ना and they talk about क्या बनना चाहते हो, I told them software engineer. At that time I didn't even know about the definition of software engineer. तो तब से मेरा ड्रीम था सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग. But yes, pageantry was also there at the same time. क्योंकि बचपन से ना मैं थोड़ी अलग, मतलब मेरी मम्मी ऐसा बोलती है कि मैं बहुत अलग रहती थी. I tried to compose songs, I tried to do something else. मैं एक्टिंग करती थी, लोगों को हंसाती थी. I try to, so मेरा हमेशा से ऐसा रहता है ना कि if I'm around people, I should make them feel happy because of my presence. It should not be I could be a boring person that everyone is getting bored because of me. तो वैसा वाला था मेरा. एंड बचपन से ही मैं कुछ एक्टिंग कुछ करते रहती थी to make them laugh, to make them happy and all those things. And it ultimately turned out that okay, to do really something big about the people, you should first become something. Pageantry gives us that platform.
So మీ ఫేస్ లో మీరు ప్లస్ పాయింట్ అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు? In your face, what's your plus point? Eyes?
I don't know, you tell me.
Eyes or smile? आपको क्या लगता है?
What I feel is like the expressions I give.
Expressions?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. मतलब पूरा चेहरा आ गया इसमें तो.
Yeah, I mean, like every time I talk, people say that you talk from your expressions a lot. So I don't know. I'm like
exactly same. Yeah.
Yeah.
So how is Hyderabad? क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ पे अभी, मतलब जॉब के अलावा?
जॉब के अलावा pageantry and currently my advocacy if I'll talk about. मैं बच्चों के साथ so once you go for the pageantry, you should advocate for something. Advocate as in आप किस cause के लिए काम करना चाहते हो. Because my background, educational background was tough. क्योंकि मुझे बचपन से ही, मतलब not my father, but again people have shared their opinion towards that. तो वो सारी चीजें मुझे लगता है कि नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Every single child should get the basic education. तो मेरा main cause वही है. I'm working with the blind children, like specially able children. I'm training them for the ramp walk, stage presence and all those, and you won't believe they are superb. मतलब उनके वो देख नहीं सकते हैं, but when they come on a stage, the way they perform, I'll show you the videos after it. I have it. बहुत ज़्यादा मस्त. You'll get lots of motivation while watching them. So that is what I'm working on. And again, I recently visited a NGO जहाँ पे there are 60 children, and they are literally taking care of them like a father and mother. There are two people who are taking care of the entire NGO. The NGO name is Adarna. AADARANA. Adarna Trust. And then वहाँ पे there are 25 girls and all rest are boys. And उनके education से लेके खाने पीने से लेके everything they are taking care of. And I really wanted to speak about that also, but later on I'll speak about that on my maybe in my personal video. कि private school में, like not even a government school, they are giving them a best education they can give. So I'm working with them also, training जो भी मेरी तरफ से required होगा, I'll definitely help. I'll raise a fund to promote those children because उनके dreams, if you talk to them, no, उनके इतने बड़े dreams हैं. They are like, everyone have their lots of dream. मुझे ये बनना है, मुझे ये बनना है. जब हम उतने छोटे थे, हमें पता भी नहीं था कि क्या बनना है. And they have lots of dream and hopes in their eyes. So I really want them to do something. And recently I saw a post जहाँ पे वहाँ की एक लड़की है, कुछ जीती भी है, and she's going to represent Telangana in some national platform in educational background. So yeah, they're doing so good. So I'm connected with them also, and I'm really working on the educational purposes. जहाँ पे भी मैं कुछ भी, so education is not just about Bukis language, right? You can teach anything and everything. So that's where I'm just.
So you are representing Telangana.
Yes.
So Telangana culture के बारे में आपको क्या पता है यहाँ पे?
Almost सब कुछ पता है. Like यहाँ का best festival which we celebrate as a Nari Shakti, which is Batukama.
Wow.
And yes.
Just फिदा कर दिए सबको बतकम्मा नाम लेके.
Yes, even I participated in that. Like हर जगह होता है ना नवरात्रि के टाइम पे, so I have participated in that.
लेकिन यहाँ पे बतकम्मा का अलग ही लेवल
है. Yes, I know. You know, my roommate was Telugu, मतलब आंध्रा से थी वो.
I didn't expected this. బతుకమ్మ ఈమె నోట్లోంచి వస్తుంది అనుకోలేదు నేను అసలు.
No, I really know, and I actually love the Telugu. मतलब क्या चीज इसमें ऐसा है जो बुरा लगने वाला? It's awesome.
Yes.
It's like you are celebrating the women as a god. So
yes.
It's, what could be more bigger than this? So it's really a nice festival. And or Hyderabadi food. That's awesome. I could not say, but again culture के बारे में अगर ज़्यादा बताऊँ तो.
वेजिटेरियन हो या नॉन वेजिटेरियन?
मैं वेजिटेरियन हूँ.
वेजिटेरियन.
मैं वेजिटेरियन.
तो यहाँ पे हैदराबाद नॉन से मतलब बिरयानी फेमस है ना, तो
हाँ, तो मैंने बिरयानी खाई है ना. You don't tell me that that's not biryani. That's biryani, okay?
ఎందుకంటే నన్ను కూడా చాలా మంది आई एम आल्सो प्योर वेजिटेरियन. मुझे भी क्वेश्चन आता है कभी भी. मतलब जो हम खाते हैं ना उसको पलाव बोलते हैं, नॉट बिरयानी.
No, it's veg biryani only.
అంటే వెజ్ బిర్యానీ తిన్నా కూడా అది బిర్యానీయే అనేసి.
Hey, that's awesome. You should definitely try. Go guys and try veg biryani. But with a good place. So yes, and even I like mandi. Veg mandi also I like. मुझे अच्छा लगता है. And apart from that बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो तेलंगाना के कल्चर में, जैसे if you talk about the Kakatiya dynasty, उसके से भी like if you talk about the women and the whole dynasty जैसे emerge हुआ था, जो चीजें हुई थी उसमें, that also like I'm reading about the histories, I'm reading about the things. Even यहाँ का जो art है basic, जो नारायणपेट साड़ी if you talk about, or if you talk about that metal का जो उसको पेम्बर्ती metal art, that is also so awesome and that you will not find anywhere. So these things are like awesome. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो बेसिक रूट से जुड़ी हुई है, and it's awesome. And more or less people that the culture they have, they represent their culture, and every single day the bindi, the gazla in there, it's like awesome. So yeah, I love everything.
So बाने తెలుసు మీకు कुछ ज्यादा पता है आपको तेलंगाना के बारे में. 7 years से हो ना आप यहाँ पे?
Yeah, like 5-6 years.
5-6 years.
Yes.
So తెలుగు నేర్చుకున్నారా మీరు? తెలుగు
I didn't understand. I like learn. I'm learning. Like I know.
So what do you know in Telugu?
తిన్నావా?
Yes, నేను తిన్నా. మీరు తిన్నారా?
Yeah, I also ate. I ate and came. And వర్షం పడుతుంది, like బారిష్ हो रही है.
Okay.
And what else I know? కూర్చో.
ఎండ పడుతుంది. సమ్మర్ हो रहा है, मतलब ज़्यादा धूप है.
Summer, okay. Yeah. And then మాట్లాడు means talk.
हाँ, మాట్లాడు.
Yes. And what else I know? Chusawa is something with like, did you see something? And okay, Kucho also like sit.
Kucho.
Yes. And Baundi means beautiful, like it's good. Ba means bahut.
సో మన నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ మీరు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాల్సి
Yes,
వస్తుంది
definitely.
బికాస్ యు ఆర్ రిప్రజెంటింగ్ తెలంగాణ
Yes.
as a
And I'm
Telangana
learning.
girl.
I could understand half of the Telangana. मतलब जो आप बात करोगे वो understand. I understand those things, but I'm not fluent with Telugu abhi right now. But yes, I'm learning. And the next podcast, I'll definitely learn Telugu and I'll speak in Telugu.
సూపర్. సో మూవీస్ చూస్తారా?
Yes.
Telugu movies?
Yes. I saw. मतलब I just on a subtitle and watch, but it's
अच्छा.
awesome.
हाँ.
मतलब मुझे मजा आता है तेलुगु मूवी, the actions of Telugu movie especially, and the love romance in Telugu movie is like
Songs and
the
romance.
pure love, you know, you really मतलब जैसे क्या होता है ना कि now love and romance is बहुत बड़े लेवल पे उसको कर दिया, but that's not romance. The basic romance where you see each other, where you give a smile to each other, and then where you feel that connection, those things. Recently I watched RRR, OG, Pushpa.
పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ మూవీ.
Yeah. Yes, I watched these things and like I love the acting of these people. Like every superstar in Telugu industry, they are like really superstar. So
డౌన్ టు ఎర్త్ ఆల్సో.
yes, very down to earth. Even like Pawan Kalyan, if you talk about him,
Yes.
like recently also he's doing so
He is our
much.
DCM here.
That's what I'm saying. He's doing so
Deputy
much.
Chief Minister.
That's what I'm saying. And like just not about the movies. He's really doing lots of things for the human. So that is the best part. And not just him. Like if you talk about any other actors also, apart from movies, they are contributing towards the people. बहुत ज़्यादा. That's the best part of it. They're not just limited to the movies or to themselves, their family. They see the world as their family. So that's the best thing about them.
पुष्पा.
Yes, I mentioned it. You didn't hear it?
हाँ, पुष्पा पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 में कौन सा पसंद है आपको ज्यादा? फर्स्ट.
Yeah.
सेपरेट फैन बेस दिख रहे हो आप?
No, it's not like that. But yeah, both were nice. But first
one.
yes,
Okay.
was very good. क्योंकि जब देखो क्या होता है ना, जब आप पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 का बात करते हो, कोई भी पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 उसको एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी
Exactly.
अच्छा होना पड़ जाता है, क्योंकि
Yeah.
फर्स्ट पार्ट अच्छा है ना,
हाँ.
तो आप कितना भी अच्छा सेकंड पार्ट बना लो ना, फर्स्ट पार्ट ही दिमाग में रहता है, पहली बार देखा ना आपने, so you have a separate fan base of the first part.
आपकी हिंदी भी चेंज हो गई हैदराबाद आके, मतलब हैदराबादी स्लैंग में बात कर रहे हो आप?
Really? Oh,
Yes.
I'm glad. I'm glad.
बनारस में कैसे बात करती हो आप?
बनारस में हिंदी बात करती हूँ.
नहीं, हिंदी में वहां की बनारसी हिंदी थोड़ी अलग होती है ना?
का करत हो बाबा? Like this.
ఎవరికన్నా అర్థం అవుద్దా ఈ భాష మనకి?
Yeah.
ఈ భాషలో మాట్లాడుతూ ఈ అమ్మాయి ఆటో లేకపోతే క్యాబ్ ఎక్కితే డబుల్ ట్రిపుల్ ప్రైస్ తీసుకుంటారు పాపం, అంటే బయట నుంచి వచ్చింది కదా అని.
But Banarsi Hindi, like, you know, Banarsi people are also sweet.
So sweet.
Yes.
क्योंकि हम विजिट करते रहते हैं ना वहाँ पे बनारस मंदिर को, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे तेलुगु लोग विजिट करते रहते हैं, और मेरा भी विजिट हुआ था पिछले 3 साल पहले शायद से.
You
Banaras
come
Mandir.
along with me. I'll show you the entire Banaras.
Thank
You'll
you.
see on my eyes. It will be more pleasant.
अच्छा, रांझना मूवी भी बनारस से जुड़े वाला था?
Yes.
बहुत सारे मूवीज भी थे.
Yes.
Yeah.
बहुत सारी movies में there are parts where they shows the Banaras as a, हाँ है वैसा बहुत सारा, and actually वैसा ही feel होता है, divine, बहुत divine feel होता है.
Yes.
As soon as, मतलब even though it's my place, जैसे जहाँ पे आप जन्म लेते हो ना, you connect with that. But again मैं उतना ही connect करती हूँ हैदराबाद से. That's not a partiality. But again जब मैं वहाँ पे whenever I go बनारस, और जैसे मैं वहाँ पे कदम रखती हूँ ना, I feel divine power there. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Even though there are lot of rush over there, lot of people over there, बहुत ज्यादा population मिलेगा आपको बनारस में, गलियां मिलेंगी, there'll be lot more things, but still you'll find peace. वहाँ का घाट जो है ना, you'll sit on that घाट for like पूरा दिन बैठ सकते हो आप, इतना अच्छा लगता है.
बुलडोजर बाबा, योगी बाबा का मतलब उनका है ना पूरा एरिया.
yes.
और मोदी जी वहां से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं.
yes but योगी
तो इससे पहले कैसा था, मतलब आपके बचपन में बनारस कैसा था, ఎలా ఉండేది చిన్నప్పుడు, మీ చిన్నప్పట్లో చూసిన వారణాసి బనారస్ ఎలా ఉండేది, అండ్ ఇప్పటికి ఏం డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది?
there are a lot difference. The first thing I'll talk about the safety. मतलब पहले जब मैं बचपन में, मुझे याद है, जैसे बनारस से मेरे गांव, मतलब मैं एकदम बनारस में नहीं रहती हूँ, मेरा गांव है वहां से थोड़े से पास में. So when you travel from बनारस to my hometown, you'll not even feel safe. रात में आप ट्रैवल नहीं कर सकते. After 4, being a girl, you cannot even travel. मतलब इतना ज्यादा
आफ्टर 4 इवनिंग।
इवनिंग
अच्छा।
इतना ज्यादा डर लगता था, लाइक दिल बी, आपने सुना होगा रॉबरीज एंड ऑल,
Yes.
and then
हाँ.
gun point robberies and
हाँ.
all those things, plus the girl safety, all those things were there. I won't deny these things were not there, these things were there, and a lot more safety perspective have changed. बहुत कुछ चेंज हुआ है, एंड इवन इट बिकेम मोर ब्यूटीफुल। बहुत सारा ऑर्गेनाइज, मतलब बनारस पूरा ऑर्गेनाइज हो गया है, हमारा काशी विश्वनाथ मंदिर पूरा कन्वर्ट हो गया है। इट्स नाउ इट्स सो प्रिटी, मतलब अगर आप वहां जाओगे ना, you'll feel like I just want to stay there for life, जैसा फील होता है। जैसे आप तिरुपति जाते हो तो फील होता है ना, कि लाइक यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड सिट देयर फॉर आवर्स, एंड देन मतलब जैसे वहां जाके आपको लगता है ना कि नहीं, आई डोंट वांट टू गो एनीवेयर, सेम यू विल फील इन द विश्वनाथ टेम्पल। वहां पे भी बहुत रश होता है बिकॉज ऑफ द पीपल विजिट्स एंड जो भी है, बट इन दैट रश आल्सो यू विल फील द पीस। तो दैट इज द
और घाट के पास भी जाके बैठ सकते हो वहां पे।
यस, यू कैन सिट, मतलब वैसा है कि आप पूरी रात बैठ सकते हो, पूरी रात बैठ सकते हो, पूरे दिन बैठ सकते हो। 2 टाइम की आरती होती है वहां पे, मॉर्निंग आरती एंड इवनिंग आरती, एंड दोज आर लाइक सो डिवाइन, बहुत ज्यादा ऑसम होता है। एक साथ में 5 पंडित होते हैं, दे डू द पूजा। इफ यू हैव वॉच्ड द आरती,
यस,
देखा है आपने? इट्स सो डिवाइन। 2 होता है, एक 80 घाट पे होता है, मतलब वैसे तो सारे घाट्स पे होते हैं, बट जो मेजर है वो एक दशाश्वमेध घाट पे होता है और एक 80 घाट पे होता है। दीज आर 2 फेमस घाट्स। दशाश्वमेध वाला मेन है जो हमेशा से होते आ रहा है, 80 इज नाउ मोर फेमस, तो वहां पे भी होता है। एंड बोथ आर लाइक, इट्स जितनी बार भी देखो आपका मन नहीं भरेगा उसको देखने से। सो इट्स दैट ऑसम।
సో వారణాసిలో పుట్టి పెరిగింది అమ్మాయి చెప్పే హిందీ అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్
why to divide with Telangana and like Andhra and
मैं आपके बारे में बोल रहा हूँ यहाँ
that's what I'm saying, like मेरे को ये समझ नहीं आता।
आपको सपोर्ट चाहिए ना तेलंगाना पीपल्स, तो उनको मैं समझा रहा हूँ।
yes, you know, मतलब मेरे को, I'm just talking to you, just don't.
వద్దంట, డైరెక్ట్ సపోర్ట్ కావాలంట, సో డైరెక్ట్ గానే మాట్లాడతాను అంటుంది. డివైడ్ అన్నది అసలు చేయకండి, సో బనారస్ అయినా లేకపోతే హైదరాబాద్ అయినా నా సొంత ఇల్లే అనేసి చెప్తుంది. రైట్, క్యారీ ఆన్.
Yes, so that's what I'm saying कि आप कहीं से भी हो, आपका दिल कनेक्ट होना चाहिए, right? So I connect with Hyderabadi people, I connect with Telangana people, and I hope they connect with Banarsi too, right? So that's what I'm thinking. और क्यों, हम तो सब Indians ही है ना?
Yes.
So it's just a matter of perspective, right? So that's what I'm saying. Please accept me as I am.
ఆపేసింది, చూసిండ్రా మీరు? నేను మాట్లాడుతుంటే ఆపేసింది, నో డివైడ్ అస్సలు చేయొద్దు అని. కానీ మనోళ్ళు కొంతమంది ఉంటారు, బయట నుంచి ఎవరు రావద్దు, ఇక్కడ వ్యాపారాలు చేసుకోవద్దు అనేసి కొంతమంది ఉంటారు. సర్లే, అది మళ్ళీ నెగటివ్ లో కలిపోద్ది.
Yeah, so that's what I was saying कि नहीं, मतलब अगर हम ही बोलेंगे कि मैं बनारस और तेलंगाना, and like no, I am from here now and I'm representing Telangana, so my whole soul is for Telangana. And if I'll win the crown, I'll bring it home. I'll bring it for Telangana, and now Telangana will represent international platform.
Awesome. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
तेलंगाना నుంచి మీకు ఎలాంటి సపోర్ట్ కావాలి అనుకుంటున్నారు? సో किस तरह का सपोर्ट चाहिए आपको तेलंगाना से?
So that's what I really wanted to tell, मतलब ask you कि there are votings going on, and votings are very majorly plays a role in the winning. Kyunki there are 2 type of votings. One is paid and one is unpaid. So unpaid is a social media voting. If I know everyone can't go and do the paid voting because it's just a matter of support, right? So I just need a support where
paid मतलब कितना रहता है? पहली बार सुना है मैंने.
Yeah, it happens everywhere, like for all of the pageants. तो क्या होता है ना कि जब आप paid voting कराते हो, it goes to the trust and everything. But eventually जब आप paid, जैसे क्या होता है ना कि it shows support from the people and government. So lots of states are getting directly fund from the government, but again right now I didn't get a chance to get a fund from the government. It's okay, I mean like whosoever can do the paid voting, there's a site, unka official site hai, you go, you search for Telangana pe jaake there are couple of type of voting system is there, where there's like for 1 vote it's 100. It's a lot, I know, but for 1 vote it's 100. If you go for the 10 votes it's 850. jitna aap zyada jate jaoge उतना पैसा में डिस्काउंट होते जाएगा. So that's how it is there. And there is a social media voting. If you are going for the social media voting, if you have higher number of likes, if you have higher number of shares, and if you higher number of comments in your post, official post, then you are there is a chance to go directly to the top 12. But अगर आपके कम रहते हैं, even though your performances are so good, there is a chance you might not get placed in top 12 also. So इतना ज़्यादा major role होता है. आप कितना भी prepare कर लो, कितना भी अच्छा performance दे लो, but then again voting plays a major role in it.
ఎలా वोट చేయాలి? कैसे वोट करना चाहिए? मतलब any number और
No. So there is my social media account is there, Instagram. वहाँ पे एक official post है. My Instagram is sapna_chaube___. This is my official account. There you'll find an official post by Star Entertainment Production and Miss Grand India, which they have posted. In that post, you just have to go click the like button. You can share with the people and to comment, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, बहुत बार लोग बोट से करा देते हैं, मतलब बॉट्स यूज करके कमेंट्स करा देते, राइट? सो बॉट्स अवॉइड करने के लिए दे हैव केप्ट अ लिमिट्स ऑफ इट कि अगर आप जब तक स्टार एंटरटेनमेंट प्रोडक्शन और मिस ग्रैंड इंडिया को फॉलो नहीं करोगे, यू वोंट बी एबल टू कमेंट ऑन दैट. तो कमेंट करने के लिए आपको दोनों को फॉलो करना पड़ेगा, देन यू कैन कमेंट and but like and share you can do anyways. So this is the first thing, which is social media voting, which will help in placing me in top 12. And there's another one, there's this website starentertainmentproduction.com. वहाँ पे जाओगे आप, साइट पे सारी लिस्ट है, 30 girls are there, including union territories, सारे states से सारी girls. And then you'll find a link, you'll search Telangana at the top search bar में. वहाँ पे जाने के बाद, तो वहाँ पे जाके you'll click on it, search for the Telangana and you'll go cast your vote. You can give me the best wishes. There's a comment section. Please write sweet comments there.
సో స్వీట్, ఎంత బాగా ఆమె అడుగుతుంది సపోర్ట్ చేయండి అనేసి. సో మీరు కూడా సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. ఆల్రెడీ మాట్లాడుతున్న టైంలోనే మా ఆఫీస్లో ఉన్న 2-3 అబ్బాయిలు కూడా ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్స్టా ఐడి ఓపెన్ చేసి సపోర్ట్ అయితే చేసేసారు. సో మీరు కూడా సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. సో లాస్ట్లో ఎండ్ మనం ఒక కన్క్లూజన్కి వచ్చేద్దాము. సో తెలుగులో మీరు ఇందాక ఏదో చెప్పినట్టున్నారు, మీకు తెలుగు వచ్చు అనేసి.
Yeah, I'll just speak little bit. So, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు సప్నా చౌబే. నేను తెలంగాణని రీప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నాను. నా భూమి నా గౌరవం.
అస్సాం, సూపర్. అంటే ఎక్కడో నార్త్ ఇండియన్ అమ్మాయి అయినా కూడా మన తెలుగుని ఇంత బాగా మాట్లాడుతుంది, నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు. సో ఎంతో మంది మన తెలంగాణకు వచ్చేసి వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళ పరపతిని పెంచుకుంటారు. అలానే ఈ అమ్మాయి మన తెలంగాణ స్టాండర్డ్స్ని అండ్ మన తెలంగాణ వాల్యూని తీసుకెళ్ళాలి. అండ్ ఇప్పటికే మన తెలంగాణ సైడ్ నుంచి క్రౌన్ గెలుచుకుంది, మీరు చూస్తూనే ఉన్నారు. సో ఎంత గార్జియస్గా కనిపిస్తుంది. సో ఒక తెలంగాణకు సంబంధించిన ఏవైతే స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఉంటాయో దానికి తగ్గట్టు ఈ అమ్మాయి అయితే ఫైట్ చేస్తుంది అనేసి మనం అనుకోవచ్చు. ఇక మనం నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే, ఈ అమ్మాయి ఇందాక చెప్పినట్టు ఓట్స్ మాత్రం వేయడం, అది మన పని. సో మనం ఓట్స్ వేసి ఈ అమ్మాయిని మళ్ళీ ఇండియా ఏదైతే మిస్ గ్రాండ్ ఇండియా ఉందో దానికి వెళ్ళేలాగా, లేకపోతే ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్కి వెళ్ళేలాగా మనం చేయాలన్నమాట.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.
Thanks to coming to our studio.
Thank you for inviting me. Thank you so much.
Thank you and good luck.
Thank you.